Hello, I'm Chandra Kala. I have 26 years of experience in automobile industry. I joined Renault Nissan Tech in 2023. I'm working as one of the business head for exteriors and interiors commodity purchase in Renault Nissan Purchasing India. I come from a lower middle class family in Tuticorin. I was the first woman in my family to pursue a technical subject, earning a degree in mechanical engineering and masters in international business management. From my humble beginning, I have risen as a leader in multinational organization. I lead a team of 20 experienced purchasing engineers. Together, we are responsible for sourcing of the components and controlling the vehicle cost. My tenure with Renault Nissan Tech has been short. Past 1 year has been filled with a lot of exciting milestones. I have played a key role in building a motivated team. I have led several initiatives as a core women member in RNPI function. In 2023, I have been honored with an award of Best Women in Manufacturing by Machinist Group Times of India. I actively participate in social service for empowering women. Additionally, I have been a voluntary member in wheelchair basketball for helping physically challenged and also organizing a yoga program for the physically challenged people. I don't see myself just as a women leader, a mother, wife, and a social service person. Rather than confining myself into label, I like to push the boundaries.